In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get PowerPoint in presenter view with our comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or simply mastering your skills, this guide will help you navigate the features with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to head over to PowerPoint for the web, which is part of Microsoft 365. You can access this through your web browser by logging into your Microsoft account. This feature-packed online suite allows you to work seamlessly without the need for bulky software installations. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open your presentation file. You can do this by either selecting a previously saved presentation from your OneDrive or cloud storage, or by starting a fresh, new presentation. Opening your presentation in the web app should be a straightforward step, bringing you to your familiar slide editing environment. Next, locate the Slideshow tab at the top of your screen. This tab holds all the controls you need to manage your presentation display settings. By clicking on this tab, you'll uncover options that will guide you towards the presenter view. Now, to activate presenter view, simply click on the presenter view tab within the slideshow menu. This view is essential for anyone presenting, as it allows you to manage your presentation smoothly by providing a comprehensive overview on a secondary screen. You can choose to start your presentation from the very beginning or from the current slide if you are revisiting a paused lecture or presentation. Alternatively, you can also use the present button located at the top right corner of your screen. This handy shortcut allows you to open presenter view directly or simply start your presentation from the beginning, making it incredibly convenient when you're pressed for time. Once you've entered presenter view, a whole new set of tools becomes available to you. In this view, your current slide is prominently displayed in the center, allowing you to focus clearly on your main points. You will also see a preview of your next slide, which helps in maintaining flow and context without any surprises. Speaker notes are visible only to you, an invaluable tool for keeping track of important talking points without cluttering your main presentation. Additionally, a timer and clock are integrated into this view, helping you manage your time effectively. You also gain access to tools like the laser pointer, pen, and highlighter, which can be used to emphasize key points during your presentation. Lastly, the slide navigator lets you jump to any slide at a moment's notice, ensuring a seamless and professional presentation experience without any awkward pauses or interruptions. And that's it. With these steps, you're all set to take full advantage of PowerPoint's presenter view, bringing your presentations to a new level of professionalism and engagement. Enjoy presenting with confidence.